sound. You could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and them over there. They looking over here. They giving me a stare like I can. Like I can. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. 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 I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not with me, alright. Wish how they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off, this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shoving my sauce, been writing these songs since 40 and key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been taking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass. I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna breed me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start. Gotta watch step on a tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Lord knows it's God's work.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished out this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. That I am rocking was sent to me by Kisslove Hair. Shout out to you, Kisslove, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Baby, Kisslove never disappoints me, okay? So once again, shout out to you, boo. Okay, so the wig that I am rocking is their Ash Blonde Hair 13x4 transparent lace front wig, 250% density. So I'm not sure if they sent me 250% density and maybe 180, because it's available in 150, 180, and 250%. I do have it in the 3D body wave. They also have it in bone straight, so you can get it bone straight or you can get the body wave like I did, baby. Okay. It's available in 12 to 32 inches, all being even numbers, and I have it in 22 inches. So what they have on here is ash blonde hair, 13x4 lace front wig, 3D body wave, invisible and undetectable lace. Baby, show me the lie. Okay, show me the lie. 12 to 30 inches, ash blonde long wig, dyed from 613 to honey blonde human hair wig. I don't know. That's what they got. It says 2 to 7 days custom, FedEx, UPS, DHL, 2 to 5 work days will arrive. And yeah, I'll put some pictures on here so you guys can see the 3D body wave versus the regular body wave, and show you guys the density as well. These pictures that they have on their site, I will add that into the video. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, with this wig, it was an easy installation, baby. All I had to do was cut it around my ears. You know, you see my ears. I know you see. Like, my ears be earring, okay? Like, I have very big ears, so I had to cut around my ears and then just spray it down, lay it down, all things, and the lace did melt in. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I have received some shedding. It is to be expected because this is naturally a 613 wig. I always expect my 613 wigs to shed some, like it's nothing to write home about, but it did shed some. And I like to throw it out there to you, so you can't say I ain't tell you, because I told you, girl. Okay, so yeah, as far as tangling, there have been none whatsoever. This wig is just like super smooth, baby. It's like silk. Yeah, and as far as the lace and stuff, the lace to me looks really, really good. It is transparent lace. The unit did not need to be tweezed or anything, in my opinion. Y'all can let me know down below what y'all think, but baby, I thought it looked nice. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. But if you do have a smaller head, I think the detachable elastic band will make it so it can work no matter what across the board, in my opinion. But I am an average cap size, so as I always say, girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Okay, do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so let's start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. So my con with this wig is going to be that it's a 13 by 4. That is a standard con for me. I do not prefer 13 by 4s. I feel like it limits, you know, the amount of parting space you have. And so yeah, that's going to be my con, because I had no choice but to do a C part. Okay, that's my con. My pros are, baby, if you know me, you know I live for a good blonde wig, especially in the summer, honey. I live for a good blonde wig, and this blonde wig is giving everything that I needed it to give. So that is one of my pros. I also love that I did not have to put in a whole lot of extra work to style this wig, because you know your girl lazy. Let's keep it a whole book. We know your girl lazy. So I love that for me as well. I love the overall look of this wig, period. Okay, this wig is bae. I love that. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I think it is super cute. It's perfect for summer. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling it, if it's a look, if it's a vibe to you, sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Kisslove Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Love completely got every style and